Hi everyone, it's Caitlin here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Now, this look is a bubble inspired look. I was browsing through Instagram and I saw a couple different artists creating this bubble look. I'm not sure the original artist, but if I do find it, I will link in the description bar down below. But if you would like to see how I created this bubble glam makeup look, then just keep watching. Alrighty, so starting off, I'm first just gonna wipe off my under eye bake. Yes, I know that my under eye concealer is yellow. It does not match my skin tone, but I'm very pale and I'm struggling to find the right color, okay? Just deal with it. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX eyeshadow base in Milk, and I'm going to take this shadow brush from Moda Brushes. It's one of their mythical brushes that I reviewed a bit ago. Absolutely love the color of it, and it worked with the look that I'm doing today. So I'm applying that all over my top lid as well as my lower lash line. Now that I have that in place, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take my Sigma Cream de Couture collection palette. And this was limited edition. I don't think you can get it anymore, but I'm going to take that almond pear color and I'm just going to apply it to the inner corner of my bottom lash. Next, I'm going to take blue chocolate and apply that to the bottom outer corner of my eye, as well as taking it out to a bit of a wing to give it more of an oomph look, you know what I mean? Next, I'm going in with Meyer Lemon, and I'm applying that to the inner corner and the top first half of my lid, you know what I mean? Really caking that on and making it vibrant and colorful. Then I'm taking a mix of Cherry Blossom and Red Berry Rose, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer corner of my top lid as well as the other half of the top lid. And once that's all blended in like so, I'm going to do the other eye quickly for you. Next, I'm going in with my Physicians Formula liquid liner. It's like a 2-in-1 serum. And I'm just creating the sharp wing. I don't know what was going on with this eyeliner, but I switched to the NYX eyeliner. And I don't know what was going on with that one either. So then I switched to my Suva Beauty Hydroliner in the color Grease. And I am applying that once again to my lash to create a dramatic wing liner, and it worked out beautifully. I was struggling so hard, and then my contact lenses were messing with me. Like, they were clouded over. I couldn't see anything. It was like foggy. So I gave up and I took those out, and then I put in my Desio crystal gray lenses and I could actually see, which was awesome. Now that I can finally see, I am now going in with the Sigma Cream de Couture collection blush in the color Strawberry Ambrosia. Ambrosia? I'm not sure. But I'm just applying that to the apples of my cheeks and working it up along my cheekbone. Next, it's time for lashes. I'm going with the Benefit They're Real mascara. The drugstore equivalent is the CoverGirl Clump Crusher, but mine was kind of clumpy, so it was old, so that's why I whipped out that one. Now it's time for false lashes. I'm going with WL16 in the NYX Wicked Lashes for that super dramatic eye glam. Look at that. Look at those bad boys. Gorgeous. Now I'm taking a NYX Neutral Eye Pencil and I'm just mapping out where I want the bubbles to be. So starting out with 2 large bubbles on my cheek, and I'm just following the picture that I have on Instagram to recreate the same look with small bubbles, big bubbles, overlapping bubbles all around the face, cheek, chin, forehead. Once I have that all done, I'm going to be using the same 4 colors that I use for my eyeshadow, starting with the blue, and creating a little half and half look on each one. So quarter of it blue, the opposite side blue, then yellow, and the opposite side yellow. So it'll look like that. Then taking the pink, I'm just outlining a little semicircle on the bottom to create some depth and shadow. And then with the same pink, I'm just applying it messily to the bottom semicircle of the bubble to make it look more three-dimensional. Now that I pretty much explained how to do it, I'm just doing that to the rest of the bubbles on my face. Just continuing with the outlines, the colors back and forth until I finally get the look that I would like. Now with the NYX illuminator in the color IBB04, I'm applying that to the bubbles to create a bit more of a shine and oomph to the look and make it look like a bubble, like a real bubble. You know what I mean? So each bubble is getting the highlight, and then I'm going in with the Suva Beauty Space Panda liner, and I'm applying that very, very finely and thinly around each bubble, just to give it that more oomph and bubble look, to make it look like it's popping off my face. You know what I mean? So continuing that around to all the bubbles that I have on my face. And next it's time for some shine. So creating little shine on each side of the bubble. And now for that little sparkle. Creating one on the large bubble on my cheek and one on a small bubble on my forehead. I'm just creating a little star sparkle shine, you know what I mean? Don't really know how to explain it, but yeah, creating that on the face. And now I'm going with my Makeup Geek Breakup Cool Porcelain bronzer, blush, contour color, contour powder. And I'm just creating a shadow for each bubble to make it look like it's sitting above my face and kind of floating. You know what I mean? Now for my lips, I'm going in with Sway, which is a liquid suede cream lipstick. And I'm applying that to my lips like so. Oh yeah, look at those bad boys. Oh yeah, pucker up buttercup. Now there is the whole makeup look, and I've got to finish it off with a gorgeous Rockstar Lolita wig. Pop on that wig cap and then pop on that wig. I pinned the side fringe back just so you could see the bubbles on my forehead a bit better, but that is the entire look. Really hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for sticking through to the end of this tutorial. It really means a lot to me. If you haven't already, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads, as well as comment down below what you thought about this bubble makeup look. If you've seen it on Instagram, let me know in the comments down below. I saw a bunch of different artists creating it, but I can't find the original artist. But if I do, I will link it in the description bar down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more moi, as well as comment down below if you have seen other people creating this bubble glam look, or comment down below any other looks that you would like me to hop on and create and recreate and inspire look. You know what I mean. Let me know in the comments down below. Also, all the products and brushes and everything that I used today will also be linked down in the description bar below. So make sure to check that out, and there's coupon codes too, so save money, why not, you know? Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye!